them in here.
Aimbot 7.0 be like. I'm gonna be doing this. I'm gonna be like, I have posted a long time.
To gain access to new missions. Enemy threat is high, so expect.
Hello? We're good. I'm moving. The other places should be good. So, I've been talking about this YouTube upload for a very long time. Damn, I have to see my... I got a sniper. I'm taking damage. I'm taking damage. Bro, I'm missing. I'll be there. Oh, I didn't. So I've been uploading for like 6 months or something, but I've been like warming it up for like a long time, but I don't know. So I've been trying my best to do this, yeah. Hello?
Yo.
What's up, bro?
What's up?
What's up, bro?
Right.
I ain't got one.
Ain't no got no box in here. What the hell?
Damn it.
Yeah, down here by the
I'm coming.
Let's go kill a couple box in here by the gas station. There you go. You got a couple in here.
You have a rifle?
Alright, let's go, y'all.
Coming.
Power apartments.
Yeah, go to power plant.
Y'all got stronghold, key card. They're at apartments.
I'm not driving. I'm out.
One of y'all come open the door.
No, I can't. Okay, damn. What is this? Let me grab this. Let me take this one. This one good. Okay.
Oh, wow, there's 3 of them in here.
Oh,
No,
yeah,
never mind,
I'm
there's 2.
out. I'm sorry, I gotta get out. Got a gun, I got a blick.
There's 2 of them, fully pledged.
Oh my god, no.
Oh,
Bro, damn, no, I'm like, oh my god, this is bro, I was dead, bro.
They were terrified to look into it because they weren't going to get elected. You think Timmy boy? The other Timmy, not the one she married, but they got a lot of Timmys.
Hello?
We're going to the aquarium.
We're gonna go to the aquarium. We're gonna go.
Do you know how to get in there?
Nope.
Oh no. Okay, you going the wrong way, Green. Okay, so y'all don't know how to get in there. You can follow me if you like, if you want to get in there.
I'll come. I'll come.
Cause yeah.
Come in. Come in.
Okay, follow me, y'all.
I'm coming, bro.
Okay, you gotta come on now because you're gonna be getting pushed.
Yeah, we gotta push it. We gotta push. We gotta push. Ooh, I'll be taking that.
Now here's the way we go.
Down here, yeah.
Ultra One, that's a denied area. Enemy presence will be high.
Checking, I'm checking. What the heck? Let me see this one. Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh. Danger. Damn.
Get him up.
Thank you for arriving.
It ain't over with. It ain't over with.
Take this. Ooh, I can take this one. Ooh, this is a good one. Oh, hell yeah. I'm taking the auto shotgun.
You still got plenty to go upstairs.
Oh, I gotta follow you. I gotta follow you. Make sure you.
All right, let's go, y'all. Oh, we got some more stuff here.
I almost died. No. 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 None of them are good.
Ultra One,
I'll follow you. I'll follow you. I'll go through here. Through here.
Got some more stuff through here, probably.
Bro, this is so good. Alright, we'll take this one. Alright. We're good, we're good, we're good. Nothing up here.
We got another situation to go through here.
Okay, we're coming through. I'm not gonna. Come on. Come on. Oh, damn it. Bro, I'm missing every shot, man. No.
Hold up for a minute, baby.
We're good, we're good, we're good. We're good, we're good. Trying to stay safe. Good. Come on. What the freak?